Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to install Targus docking station driver, step-by-step driver installation and setup guide. Step 1. Find your model number. Simply turn your docking station over and locate the exact model or serial number. For example, DOCK177USZ or DOCK310. Step 2. Download the drivers. Go to the official Targus driver and software support page. There, enter your docking station's model to find and download the correct driver files. Step 3. Run the installer. Now locate the downloaded setup file, usually an .exe file in your downloads folder, and run it as an administrator. Then simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Step 4. Restart your computer. During or after the setup, you may be prompted to reboot your machine for the changes to take effect. Step 5. Connect the dock. Once restarted, plug the docking station's power adapter into an outlet and then connect the dock to your laptop using the provided USB-C or USB-A cable. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.